In this video, I'll show you how to easily play videos on YouTube in full screen mode from your Android or iPhone device. It doesn't matter, so follow up with me. First, of course, we open the YouTube app, and then from here, tap on the profile picture in the top right corner, right there. Once it takes you to the screen, tap on Settings, and then choose General. Now you need to enable this toggle right next to Zoom to Fill Screen. This is very effective. It will make you play videos in literally full screen and cover all the screen. Now another method you can try is go ahead and select a video from YouTube. I select this one right here. Now what you want to do is to click on the video while it's playing, and then tap on this square right in the bottom corner of the screen of the video. Now what you want to do from here is to pinch to zoom in the video and cover all the corners of your device or screen, and you'll be playing the video in full screen mode. And that is it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thank you very much for watching.